Fižolova juha or bean soup is oh so comforting and tasty. It is packed with protein and healthy vegetables. You're going to need bay leaves, parsley, basil, oregano, celery, carrot, half an onion, garlic, tomato paste, 1 veggie cube, white kidney beans, and pepper and salt. And optional, a couple of slices of bacon. Prep your vegetables. Dissolve 1 veggie cubes in 2 cups of boiling water. Add a couple of splashes of olive oil. Add half an onion. And saute it for a minute or 2. So now add the chopped garlic. Unsaute it for about 30 seconds. Add 2 heaping teaspoons of tomato paste. Mix the whole thing. Now add your stock, 2 cups. The celery, carrots, 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 bay leaf, pepper, I am not adding salt until such time as I taste it, because there's sodium in the oxo cubes. Kidney beans. Add your beans. Cover and simmer for 15 minutes. In the meantime, fry your bacon. So after 15 minutes, just remove your bay leaf. The soup is ready to serve. Отлично.